John K. Wood, owner of 29 Diner.
And John has began an initiative in the community to feed and open up his restaurant into a pantry. John and Red Door Metro share the same core values in giving in the community where we live. And John has inspired us where we have now announced that we are forming our partnership with 29 Diner. We'll be making a donation from every one of Red Door Metro's closings to the diner in the name of the client. So I don't want to butcher the meaning behind what he's doing. He can explain it better than anybody. John, you want to tell us about what you're doing, my friend?
Well, first off, I'd like to say thank you. So blessed and so honored to have the support of Keller Williams, Metro Center Realty, Red Door Metro. Great to have Keller Williams and their teams behind us. I couldn't be more blessed and thankful for this partnership. Your offerings to stand with us today here at the town of Vienna and feed all of the essential workers and all of the first line is absolutely amazing. We touched 300 here today, but it's going beyond today because it's a big community. It's a grand community. It's a great community. A community that's standing together. We can make a difference. The 29 Diner. We believe in taking care of the heart. We believe in taking care of your children. We believe in taking care of your church, your family. We believe in feeding and taking care of the needs of the poor. And if we put those platforms front and center, then our business will thrive, will do well, because our community will know our initiatives. And I couldn't be more happy and more blessed to have the support of George at Red Door Metro and Keller Williams, Metro Center Realty. Together with 29 Diner, we're going to make a difference in our community.
Well, John, thank you for being the spark that has led to this beautiful wildfire. And we hope to God it's going to continue and spread around. Thank you, folks. If there's anything you'd like to do to help donate to the 29 Diner, you can directly. If you have any real estate needs, you call us. We'll be making a donation in your name as well. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to another living.